Hello everyone, I am Zhixuan Li Mingjing. Each enterprise has its own culture. Culture is the soul of the enterprise. Zhixuan, in the development process of these years, accumulated their own corporate culture. Our values are win-win cooperation, improve ourselves and help others. In today's society, only cooperation can achieve win-win and win-win for all. Help others to have a better way to achieve their own. So our values are win-win cooperation. Improve ourselves and help others. Our mission is to achieve production line civilization through technological innovation. After several years of continuous efforts by us, from the initial direct drive technology to the extension of our direct drive equipment and then to the upstream and downstream equipment, and finally the organic combination of our entire process and equipment, it can provide users with the entire turnkey project, reduce energy consumption, improve efficiency, improve product quality, make our industry more efficient, higher technical content, and more civilized production lines. Our vision is to create a better future with you. Referring to the people who have intersected with us, such as our employees are working silently. Our partners, whether suppliers or customers. With your presence, our company will go more solid step by step. And hope that the existence of our company can also promote our partners to be better and better. So we are willing to create a better future with you. Everyone knows that the logo of Zhixuan is a cow. So why is it a cow? The most intuitive meaning, the first four founders. 3 genus of cattle, that cattle represent strength, loyalty, tenacity. We will uphold this spirit, pioneering cattle, widow cattle and old cattle. We laid the foundation of direct drive. And then continuous absorption, younger and more high-end talents. Zhixuan was established in 2021 as the global sale department of Zhixuan, so that our team is more competitive and passionate. We silent dedication, and finally we realized the improve ourselves and help others, benevolent love. Forming a beautiful big family. Finally adhere to our integrity, struggle. This is our spirit. We always adhere to the standardization of products. Product standardization will continue to improve our production efficiency. Will continue to improve the quality of our products. Will continue to improve the user experience. To make users more convenient to use. We operate to achieve productization, any one of our products. Any new technology developed. To put him into the product. Through the idea of the product to operate. From design to production to promotion to packaging. Make him a good product. We have discussed what is the product. What characteristics to have. We summed up 2 sentences, the so-called product to let the layman look very beautiful, let the insider look very professional. This can be called a product. We provide is the equipment product. The equipment should be given to it the idea, give it the intelligence of the equipment. Why promote the intelligence of the equipment? Because the labor cost is getting higher and higher. The market test of the equipment is also getting bigger and bigger. It is necessary to realize the intelligence of the equipment. Through our Internet of Things, to achieve our production line, to achieve our equipment intelligence, the equipment of the process, that is our company from the beginning of its establishment, adhere to the equipment of this product. In the promotion of the equipment of the process, all the installation processes, production processes, but also rely on equipment to ensure, do not rely on people. Because the accuracy of people and our current high precision lathes to compare. Too much difference, rely on processing equipment to ensure our craftsmanship. Finally, the electrification of our machine. The reason why Zhixuan company does direct drive drawing machine is also to consider the use of electrical technology to solve mechanical problems, so that the mechanical structure is more and more simple, so that the electrical is simpler. Our productization has experienced the installation of substitution, landing and opening, and finally realized the replacement repair. To achieve the standardization and precision of our parts through processing equipment. To simplify the requirements for assembly. This is what we have to insist on, to install substitution. The goal of all equipment is to open on the ground. Reduce the dependence and requirements of the installation workers. Just like we do drawing equipment, like a washing machine. To the scene to connect the water, connect the electricity can drive. Therefore, all our designs are working hard to the ground. And finally realize repair by replace, improve the efficiency of maintenance. Improve the user's experience. So we put forward a new model to replace the repair. From now on, we are a manufacturer of equipment. But we are definitely not limited to a device manufacturer. In the future, we will become the operator of the equipment together with the customer. Because this equipment is processed and manufactured by ourselves. The performance of this equipment, we will be clearer, its repair. Maintenance, we will be clearer, so in the future we want to work with users to operate this equipment well. Zhixuan company is willing to ally with anyone. We have 3 alliance policy. The first alliance with our employees. Only to improve the working environment of our employees. Improve their income, improve in order to better do a good job of the effect of Zhixuan. The second alliance with our suppliers. Suppliers are an indispensable part of our entire equipment quality. Equipment efficiency, good supplier partners will continue to help us. We also want to ally with our users. Prevent the decertification of industrial products. Because in the current ecological environment, once the product is promoted in the market, it is difficult to ensure the confidentiality of the technology. So it is said to ally with the user. How to make a product that meets the needs of the user. This prevents the decertification of the product, so that the product can be better operated and maintained under the joint efforts of equipment and users. Therefore, what we talk about above is the culture of our enterprise. Only the culture is clear. The direction of our enterprise. The thinking of the enterprise will be clearer. I believe that with the blessing of our Zhixuan company culture, the future of our Zhixuan company will be better and better.